Hello beauties and gents, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and today is 30th of July. Like if you are following me on Instagram, you will see like on stories I'm going to post like outfit of the day. Like I always post like on Instagram stories, and also I post on Facebook stories and like Facebook page stories. And I'm not like posting much on Facebook nowadays, but like I have like changed my privacy setting and everything on Facebook, because like I like everyone to come and find me on YouTube and Instagram. So yeah, if you are not following me, do follow me on Instagram. I'm literally active on Instagram all the time, but not on Facebook. I'm like not into Facebook that much, but I do post stories on Facebook too. So today I just wanted to share some things with you all. That's why like I started this blog. So yeah, I'm going shopping. Of course, today is the day I'm doing my grocery shopping all the time. So yeah, today I'm going to like Kmart. Then I'm going to Coles. So like if you are following me, like I think I have shared with you all like how I got like $200 worth of groceries for free. So if you are following me, you should have seen that blog. If you haven't seen, it's on my channel. Like it's kind of redeeming points from Flybys. So that's how I did it. Yeah, last time I redeemed $200 worth of points, but I did get like email about weekly shopping. If I'll do like $180 worth of shopping for 4 weeks, I will get 10,000 points. But if I'll do $230 worth of shopping each week, I will get 20,000 points. So yeah, I have completed 3 weeks. Like I don't know, like I thought I'm going to like do $180 of shopping each week, but my shopping always goes up. So yeah, I am ending up buying like $280 worth of groceries like each week. So today, like my all 3 kids are going with me. So yeah, the bill will be high anyway. So yeah, I'm going to shop from Coles. Cause like Coles is one of the shops I like, and like I can find everything there. Like I don't have to go around in other shops just cause Coles has all the grocery items and everything. So yeah, I'm going to go do my shopping, and also I need like speaker for my computer. Just cause like I have used my PC speaker on my that TV which I set over there, and like literally you all, I'm going to show you all the update I did. I just cleaned up my this area a bit, and look at it, it looks nice now. Okay, so it's not fully completed. So yeah, this is the entrance as you can see, and the Kmart mat which I got, like I think this is an outdoor mat, but I kept it here just because my cats love to scratch that's why I kept it here. So yeah, they won't scratch the rug, they will scratch this instead. So I kept a tree here, fake tree, and that welcome mat will go outside because I have to clean outside and organize a bit there. So yeah, this is how it looks. And hi Simba, can you say hi? Hi baby, can you say hi? Say hi. No? Okay, bye. So let me just zoom out a bit. So, okay, if I fully zoom out, it will look like this. But yeah, let me just zoom a bit, and I'm just learning how to use this camera. So yeah, this is how it looks, that light ons. And yeah, I am kind of not loving the yellow in here anymore, because like I think I will keep all neutral shade here, but I think I'm going to buy a new coffee table there, and because I need a bigger coffee table, like quite a big one, just because I'm keeping 3 sofas here. That's a sofa bed, and like this is the rug you all saw in my Kmart haul. Like this is the rug. Literally, it's so big, as you can see. It goes like under there. So yeah, it's literally long. So yeah, it's only $69, and literally I love it. Maybe I'm gonna just throw a fluffy one in between here when I'm going to like buy a a coffee table. And yeah, I literally like it, and it looks quite okay. And like I'm like kind of decorating. I just cleaned today, just because like I think if I'll clean, it will look a bit organized. So yeah, literally I took out lots of cartons from there, and it's here. I don't have time to open this, and literally one of the rug is here, which I'm going to put somewhere. Got no idea where, but yeah, I am keeping this plant here, this spike plant here. There are some like friends here, and don't look that side, like it's literally dirty. This is dirty too. And I got like lots of fake plants here, and look, Simba is doing that. Yeah, he does that. Why I'm saying she? Simba? Hello. Hi. Hi, you want food? Okay, so yeah, I got like lots of fake plants here, which I took out from, you all must have seen like in my like old place. Like I had all these, and like literally I like this, but like I'm going to organize this area a bit, and tomorrow is Saturday, so tomorrow I'm going to do it, but I'm not gonna vlog tomorrow because I have to complete all this. That mirror will go somewhere, and yeah, this place is like this, and like I put one plant there, like it's not fully done, but like yeah, I'm going to do it. But I'm just going to show you all some things I got. Okay, so this is just a small haul, and I am going to show you, like I haven't tried this, but like I just got this yesterday, and like I ordered online, and my husband picked it up yesterday. So this is Beauty Collagen Glow with Collagen Peptides by Swiss, and this was on sale on Chemist Warehouse website. So yeah, I bought this one. Supports skin elasticity and firmness. To be honest, I haven't tried this, and I can't say anything about this. Like I have tried lots of collagen products, but like I actually like none of them till now, because I think it doesn't work at all. But like I'm trying something. If you are watching my blogs, you should have seen me. I did show in my blog that I'm trying something here. So this is it. Like actually I got that for my hubby, and I got another one because this was on sale, so I got 2, and it contains 60 tablets. And also I got this one, and I've got no idea. Like I literally like Dr. Lewin's products, and this is private formula. What I'm saying, like literally I can't even talk today. So this is Dr. Lewin's private formula cream moisturizer, nourish and renew. I have got no idea about this product. If your inside is good, it will show outside, but if you try to make outside better by using expensive products, it won't work like that. But like it works from inside, so you should glow from inside. So yeah, it's inside out. So yeah, I'm going to try and let you all know about this product. So it's 113 grams, so this is a big jar, and I got another one, so cause like I think my husband will like it too, so I got one for my husband too. Okay. And the next product I got is this one. Like, this one is Collagen Glow Skin Firming Cream. I have got no idea. I saw this on their website and I got this one. Like, I don't know. Like, I think I'm gonna try and let you all know. Oh, my husband will like this one. I'm gonna be keeping both of that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try, or I'm gonna give this to my kids to use. Like, my kids are all teenagers and they like all this too. So I've got another Collagen Glow. So this is grapeseed and coenzymes enzymes Q10. I'm very bad at pronouncing, guys. Okay. This one is a total wipeout because I have lost all my nail polish remover. So yeah, I got this one because only this one was available there, because like if I go to Kohl's, like Kohl's and Kmart has a lot. So yeah, I got this one. And last of all, I love this product. To be honest, this product is really good. I think I have shared it in my blogs, but I said I'm gonna be trying. And what are you doing? What? You want to go out? Oh my god! What? Literally, you guys, outside is full of things too, and we are going to like set the garage and put everything. He just wants to go out now. He's fine. So this product works and it's really nice. 60 ashwagandha, 8,000 plus stress and energy, 1 per day. This is really good. I literally like it, and me and my husband, we both drink this, like take this once per day. It's really nice. So yeah, this is the haul. Yeah, I'm gonna be going to Kmart buying a speaker. Like, literally, I want just a short monitor speaker, because like I don't want to like have lots of things like when we are moving, like it's very hard to pick, and like literally it's headache. So yeah, I'm going to just declutter. I'm not going to buy, but yeah, I'm going to Kmart today, and you never know, like whenever we go to Kmart, unexpected things happen in there. Hi y'all.
Terrible.
So इरविन, तुम देखते हो कैमरा दिखना कैसे हुआ? You know, something different हुआ कैमरा में. Such a good quality, no?
Okay, hang on. So we got these like strawberries, and like this one's a lemonade flavor, and they like taste so good. Like, oh my god, I'm an idiot right now. I'm just an idiot, different flavor. So like whatever. Stop laughing at me.
Okay, that's not lollies, that's chewing gum.
Yes, chewing gum, still the lolly, whatever.
Yeah, we tried 2 flavors, and the other one is which one?
There's
Yeah, you
there's lemon.
yeah, you guys can try mint one.
Mango peach flavor. Wow. Cool peppermint. Wow.
Did you show the product properly?
Lemon passion fruit. Wow. Yes. Y'all can see it. Yes, queen. Bye.
Look in front, Westfield.
Oh wow, Westfield. You see the Westfield? Well.
Otherwise,
Bye all.
Yes.
Where's today?
Okay, so we bought this one. This is Bluetooth TV soundbar with subwoofer from Kmart. Literally, this was only $99. And this is how it looks. You can do it. You can do and test and set over there, okay?
Okay.
Packed so nicely, no?
Ow, I'm dying.
Can you pick that up, please?
Oh no. Very sorry.
Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, this is the back part of it, and where will the connection be? Here. Just one wire will be connected at the back. Okay, it will be nice.
This is the power supply.
Okay.
There's another power supply for the subwoofer. That's for the soundbar. So,
Yeah, put it on and try on the TV and see.
wow.
That's why I bought it,
Really?
so that I can watch.
The soundbar?
No, I can like hear everything properly.
But you're gonna watch the soundbar.
Yeah. Don't damage my tree, please. Okay, so I'm going to end the blog here, and that subwoofer and speaker from Kmart is really good. And literally, I'm just making dinner. I'm just baking some chicken and some lasagna for kids, and yeah, we are going to have our dinner now. And you all take care. Thanks so much for watching. Do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. So this is all for today. So yeah, stay connected. Bye.
Very special for her.
Mehzabin has 4 medals so far these games and still has the 50 free and 2 red final. She was leading when US rider Elise Willoughby clipped her handlebars. Early last year, Saya's brother
Isha, come.
had a brain injury after a crash. Fortunately,
Come.
she was only showing
Food
signs
time.
of mild concussion.
Are you coming?
She said to thank everyone back home. And Bruce, I have some exciting news for our bowls fans tonight.
What are you gonna eat?
World Bowls Championships are going to be held on the Gold Coast in
I just looked
2023.
at that, but like,
Helensville, Broadbeach and
whatever.